Hi friends, welcome to Unacademy, India's largest online learning app. We are going to provide you support for IIT, JEE, NEET, UGC, then SSC exams, MPSC, UPSC class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th also. You can ace your final exams with Unacademy Plus subscription. So Unacademy Plus subscription is at flat 10% off discount. So, dear learners, welcome to the class. I am Trupti Deshmukh. I have done my Masters of Computer Engineering. So, I am going to teach you subjects like C, C++, C Sharp, ASP.NET, programming in Python, as well as I am going to teach you the subjects like information technology for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, and also computer science for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. So, please वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें. So students, let's get started with the today's lecture. So the next thing is Unacademy's awesome special classes. Yes, we are having the live real-time interactions using chats and emojis. Yes, Unacademy के जो हमारे स्पेशल क्लासेस है वहाँ पर आप लोग लाइव रियल टाइम इंटरेक्शन कर सकते हैं by using chats and emojis. Yes, obviously you are going to have poll leaderboards and you can compete with your friends also. वहाँ पर कुछ polls हो गए leaderboards. So उसमें क्या होगा, आपकी पढ़ाई की पढ़ाई भी हो जाएगी and yes you will have the fun with learning. And the next feature of these special classes is you can ask questions using the question tab. You can see the screenshots here. The question, you can type your questions related to the subject and directly send to the teacher also. So ये हमारे Unacademy के some of the special classes के features है. That is, you are going to have live real time interaction using the chat and emojis. Then you can have the live quiz through pros. So pro leaderboards में आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? You can have the competition with your friends also, and you can ask the questions using the question tab also. Then next, how to watch these special classes also. देखिए आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, पहले यू कैन डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप. जो स्टूडेंट्स है वो लर्नर ऐप जो है डायरेक्टली डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन गो टू दी गूगल प्ले स्टोर, और आपका अगर एप्पल का है तो यू कैन हैव दी एप्पल स्टोर ऑल्सो. सो वहाँ पर आप लोग अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप के लिए सर्च कीजिए एंड यू कैन डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप. देन इंस्टॉल इट, डाउनलोड कर. वहाँ पर आप लोग क्या करेंगे, ओपन दी ऐप एंड क्लिक ऑन गेट स्टार्टेड. ठीक है, आपका ऐप ओपन हो जाएगा. Then next step is you have to enter your mobile number and OTP. आपका जो करंट मोबाइल नंबर है आपको यूज करना है. then you will get one OTP and based on that OTP you are going to sign up using the email ID. So next step is you have to enter your full name, then your mobile number will be already registered. Then enter your email address and state of the register. So this is the step to watch the special classes. That's the last step is sign up using the email ID. First one, download the Unacademy Learner app, then open the app and click on get started. Then enter your number, that is mobile number and OTP, and lastly sign up using the email ID. Then next step is that is select the classes from class 6 to class 12. It is what goal you are preparing for. The you can select for the competitive exams, as well as if you are going for the class CBC classes 6 to class 12, you can go for that also. ठीक है, CBC क्लास 6 to 12 आप लोगों ने सेलेक्ट कर लिया. उसके बाद आपके डिफरेंट क्लासेस आएंगे, क्लास 6 to class 12 एंड आल्सो द क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर. देन आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट योर ओन क्लास. देन नेक्स्ट, विच लैंग्वेज यू वुड प्रिफर टू लर्न, कौन सी लैंग्वेज में आप लोगों को पढ़ाई करें. सो यहाँ पर सेलेक्ट योर प्रिफर्ड लैंग्वेज. सो यू कैन यूज इंग्लिश, हिंदी, और हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश, both mixed. Then next what you are going to do, go to the description of this video, the video which I am playing now, and click on the special class link. यहाँ पर special class की जो link है वहाँ पर आप लोग चाहिए. Then click on notify me and you will get denotified 10 minutes before the class begins. And you can use the code to unlock the special classes for free. Now what we will study today friends, so today's topic is internet security. देखिए अब तक हम लोगों ने देखा इंटरनेट के बहुत सारे यूजेस, जैसे कि हम लोगों ने देखा ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शन कैसे होता है, व्हाट इज ई टिकटिंग, ये शॉपिंग, ब्लॉगिंग, ब्लॉग्स कैसे लिखते हैं, वेब ब्लॉग्स क्या होते हैं, देन ईमेल एड्रेसेस, बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो हम लोगों ने इंटरनेट के रिगार्डिंग देखी हुई हैं. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी whenever internet is going, that is networking fundamentals में हम लोगों ने देखा कि how the internet connection is established between a user and the internet service provider. So उसके साथ साथ जितना आप लोग एक चीज़ का ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हो उतना ही वो उस चीज़ कम से वल्नरेबल होती है. सो today's topic is based on the internet security. इंटरनेट की सिक्योरिटी जो है उसके रिलेटेड आज का जो टॉपिक है वो बेस्ड है. So the contents of the topic, that is internet security, are introduction, then common internet security parameters, then proper use of passwords, then confidentiality of the information, then safety measures online. So now we will start with the today's first point, that is introduction. Introduction के साथ हम लोग start करते हैं. So अगर देखा जाए, today's age cannot be even thought of without internet. So अगर आज के एज के बारे में हम लोग डिस्कस करें, so it is cannot even thought of without internet, even in dreams also. Although the internet has made many things easier, but at the same time it has posed many security risks too, if not used in a proper way. देखिए, इंटरनेट ने बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम लोगों के लिए आसान कर दी है, बट एट द सेम टाइम यहाँ पर सिक्योरिटी रिस्क भी बहुत बढ़ गई, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग जो है आजकल इंटरनेट का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. एंड if internet is not used properly, it may be vulnerable to your account, whether it is social media account or online transactions and so on. So thus it is important to know about the possible threats, challenges and risks of working on internet to ensure personal safety and information safety. That's why it is important to know about what are some possible threats, challenges and risks of working on the internet. कुछ threats है, कुछ challenges है which are to know about, that is working on the internet. So इससे क्या होता है, to ensure the personal safety and information security, it is needed to be known. So we are going to deal with the same, that is we are going to talk about what are the possible risks and threats on the internet and the safety measures to avoid these threats. So let us start with the today's first point, that is the common internet security parameters. So what are common internet security parameters? We are going to study that. So these days we cannot even think of our lives without internet, obviously. So from entertainment to shopping to learning to exams, everywhere internet has penetrated. So अगर आपको कुछ शॉपिंग करनी हो, ऑनलाइन कुछ खरीदना हो, कुछ इंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए हो, अगर आपको कुछ पढ़ाई करनी है, एग्जाम्स देनी है, तो हर जगह पर इंटरनेट जो है वो मौजूद है. So on most of these places, we often provide our sensitive information, like our personal information, our financial information, our mobile numbers, our Aadhaar card, PAN card information wherever necessary, and so on. So all this information is very sensitive and must be protected. So the protection of sensitive information is responsibility of the two stakeholders. देखिए, दो लोगों की एक ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहती है, दैट इज प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ सेंसिटिव इंफॉर्मेशन. सो फर्स्ट वन इज यू हु इज ऑपरेटिंग विद ऑल दिस इंफॉर्मेशन, जो कि आप है, आप लोग इंटरनेट का यूज कर रहे हैं फॉर शॉपिंग, इंटरटेनमेंट एंड सो ऑन थिंग्स के लिए. एंड नेक्स्ट पर्सन हु इज responsible for protection of this sensitive information is the site or the app with which you are interacting to obtain a specific service and have provided your details. ठीक है, अगर सपोज आप लोग ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग कर रहे हो तो द सेकेंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑफ दैट शॉपिंग साइट टू ऑब्टेन अ स्पेसिफिक सर्विस एंड टू प्रोवाइड द सिक्योरिटी टू द कस्टमर्स डेटा. सो ये दोनों की जो है वो सेम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहेगी. So now what we can do here, the sites and apps which must provide required security to your information as they are bound by the law for it. So देखिए, the Data Protection Act 2018 has been added to the IT Act of India for this same. Data Protection Act 2018 के लिए 18 का जो लॉ है वो कहता है कि that is your information where you're on which site you are going to enter, that site must provide the security for it. So उसके लिए इंडियन डेटा प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 2018 जो है वो पहले ही ऐड किया हुआ है फॉर आईटी एक्ट का. सो बट सिर्फ ये एक्ट बढ़ाने से या फिर एक्ट ऐड करने से कुछ नहीं होगा, बट दिस डज नॉट फुलफिल योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और this does not nullify your responsibility as a user. So you must also carefully use internet so as to keep your information secure. Now you must take measures to ensure the security for first one your passwords, second one your confidentiality of your information, then third one is practicing the safe measures online. देखिए आपको आपका पासवर्ड जो है वो ठीक से रखना पड़ेगा. That is, you must be able to secure your password. Then confidentiality of your information, that is, you should not share your information with anybody else. Then practicing some safe measures online. So यार सारी चीज़ें जो है आपको खुद को करनी है. So just be as a user, ये आपकी एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि आप क्या करें. आपका डेटा जो है वो सीक्रेट रखे, इट शुड नॉट बी पब्लिकली अवेलेबल. सो ये सारी चीज़ों का ध्यान जो है आपको खुद को रखना पड़ता है. Now we are going to talk about the measures to ensure the security of your information from your end. That is, अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, यूजर एंड से सिक्योरिटी कैसे प्रोवाइड करनी है वो हम लोग देखने वाले हैं. हाउ यूजर कैन प्रोवाइड सिक्योरिटी टू हिज और हर information. That point we are going to discuss now. So the first point is that is proper use of passwords. So proper use of passwords यहाँ पर क्यों कहा गया है देखिए. So passwords are what we can say about password. Passwords are an important form of protection for you online. जी हाँ, आपका कुछ पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन का अगर प्रोटेक्शन करना है तो ऑब्वियसली पासवर्ड्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर दैट. सो यू कैन एंटर इनटू एन ऑनलाइन अकाउंट ओनली इफ यू नो द करेक्ट पासवर्ड फॉर ओपनिंग. आप लोग अपना अकाउंट तभी ओपन कर सकते हैं जब यू कैन एंटर इनटू एन ऑनलाइन अकाउंट ओनली इफ अगर आपको आपका करेक्ट पासवर्ड जो है पता है. दैट इज ओनली इफ यू नो योर करेक्ट पासवर्ड टू ओपन इट. So since the passwords gives you entry to an online account, it is important to keep secure. देखिए आपके ऑनलाइन अकाउंट को एंट्री देने के जरिया कौन सा है, पासवर्ड है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू कीप योर पासवर्ड सिक्योर. हैकर्स जो है एक्चुअली पहले आपके यूजर नेम पर और पासवर्ड पे अटैक करके आपका पासवर्ड इजीली हैक करके लेते हैं एंड दे कैन इजीली यूज देम फॉर योर स्टीलिंग पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन और stealing money from your account also. So creating a secure password is an important part of protecting you online. So password creating a secure password is an important part of protecting online. So a strong password helps to कीप योर पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन सेफ. आपके पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन सेफ रखने के लिए स्ट्रॉन्ग पासवर्ड आपको हेल्प करता है. देन द स्ट्रॉन्ग पासवर्ड protects your emails, your files and other contents. आपके कुछ ईमेल्स होता है, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट डेटा होता है, कुछ फाइल्स होती है एंड अदर कंटेंट्स जो होते हैं उसका प्रोटेक्शन करता है स्ट्रॉन्ग पासवर्ड. एंड देन नेक्स्ट वन इज prevent someone from breaking into account. So the next point is you can to prevent someone from breaking into account. आपके अकाउंट में किसी को दखलंदाजी ना करे, somebody not misuse your account. So उसके लिए क्या करता है, strong password आपको प्रिवेंट करता है. देखिए strong password, the question can be asked how strong password helps user. First one is to keep your personal information safe. Then second one is protect your emails, files and other contents. Then third one is prevent someone from breaking into your account. So in this way the strong password helps. Now देखिए अभी हम लोग देखेंगे प्रॉपर यूज ऑफ पासवर्ड्स में 3 पॉइंट्स देखिए. द वेज इन विच योर पासवर्ड में बी क्रैक्ड, देन choosing the good password. So now we will study there are a few ways your account passwords can be compromised. So first one is someone's out to get you. Then second one is you become the victim of a brute force attack. And third one is there is data breach. So we will see these one by one. So now we will see the ways in which your password may be cracked. So the first thing is the ways in which your password may be cracked. So someone is out to get you. So what we can say that is some people they are desperately trying to get access to your account. And so these people might be able to guess your email passwords also and use your password recovery options to access your other accounts also. So अगर ऐसे कोई हैकर आपके अकाउंट पे अटैक करता है and if he or she is able to hack your password, obviously he or she can steal your data, misuse it, and obviously if there is your bank account, obviously your money can be stolen also. Then the next thing, that is the next way in which your password may be cracked is that is you become the victim of brute force attack. So brute force attacks are the attacks. These are the attacks which are worked by systematically checking all the possible passphrases until the correct one is found. जैसे कि ट्रायल एंड एरर. आप यहाँ पर ब्रूट फोर्स अटैक्स में जनरली क्या होता है, देखिए बहुत सारे पासवर्ड्स ट्राई किए जाते हैं एंड इफ सक्सेसफुल, अगर एक करेक्ट वन फाउंड हो जाता है, ऑब्वियसली बाय हैविंग द ब्रूट फोर्स अटैक you can become the victim of it. So hackers can use these tricks also, that is you can become the victim of the brute force attack. बहुत सारे पासवर्ड्स का ट्रायल एंड एरर किया जाता है यहाँ पर पहले एंड अगर उसको करेक्ट पासवर्ड मिल जाए, ऑब्वियसली वो पासवर्ड विल बी ऑफ द हैकर्स. And the third one is there is a data breach. So every few months it seems like that there is another huge company who reports a hacking resulting in millions of people's accounts information which is being compromised. So in this way your account data will also be may also get fetched and leaked including the passwords. जैसे बहुत बार होता है कि बहुत सारी कंपनी है जो कंपनीज होती हैं सो उनमें क्या होता है दे आर रिपोर्टिंग दैट देयर इज सम हैकिंग इज हैपेंड ऑन देयर साइट सो व्हिच रिजल्ट्स इन millions of people's account information which is being compromised. सो जैसे कि फेसबुक का भी बहुत बड़ा अकाउंट जो है वो हैक हुआ था बहुत सारे यूजर्स का जनरली फॉर इंडियन यूजर्स उनका अकाउंट जो है वो हैक हुआ होता है कई बार व्हाट्सएप का भी डेटा जो है वो लीक होता है इंक्लूडिंग देयर सम पासवर्ड्स देन समटाइम्स सेलिब्रिटीज का ट्विटर अकाउंट होता है या फिर इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट होता है उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो कॉम्प्रोमाइज होती है एंड इट आल्सो गेट्स सो दीज आर द सम ऑफ द वेज इन विच योर पासवर्ड्स may get cracked. That is, first one is someone is out to get to you. That is, some people are desperately trying to get access to your account. Then next one is you became the victim of the brute force attack. You can also become the victim of the brute force attack. Then third one is there is a data breach. So there are so many ways, but we have discussed about the common ways in which your password can be hacked. So friends, अभी तक हम लोगों ने देखा that is internet security important की हुई that is today's age cannot be even thought of without the internet and internet has made so many things easier but at the same time it has posed many security risks too and if it is not used in a proper way. Then next only we have seen some of the common security parameters like from shopping to internet, learning to exams, everywhere the internet has penetrated. Then though even the security is getting compromised, the protection of sensitive information is the responsibility of the two stakeholders. First one is you who is operating with all this information and second one is the site or app with which you are interacting to obtain a specific service and have provided your details. And you must take the measures to ensure your security for your passwords, then confidentiality of the information, then and practice safe measures online. So proper use of password is also necessary. That is, passwords are an important form of protection for you online. Then creating a secure password is an important part of protecting you online. Yes, obviously a strong password helps to keep your personal information safe, protect your emails, files and other content and prevent someone from breaking into your account. And ways in which your password may get cracked, which we have seen right now. That is someone's out to get to you. That is someone desperately trying to get access to your account. So, and what we can say that person might be able to guess your email passwords and use password recovery options to access your other accounts. Then next you can become the victim of the brute force attack. These attacks work by systematically checking all the possible passphrases until the correct one is found. And every few months, the next one is there is a data breach. Every few months, it seems like another huge company reports a hacking resulting in millions of people's account information being compromised. So this way your account details may also get leaked, and which includes your passwords. So friends, book which I used for today's lecture is Information Technology by Sumita Arora for class 10 for code 402 under NSQL. So now let us start with today's quiz session. So let's get started with that. So friends, let us start with today's quiz session. So you will be having total 20 questions, and each question will be having 1 minute. So let's get started with that. So here is question number 1. What is long form of LAN? Options are A. Local area network, B. Local allocated network, C. Light area network, and D. Locally allocated network. Your time starts now. So the correct option is A. Local area network is the long form of LAN. The next question number 2 is here on your screen. What is long form of MAN? M-A-N. Options are A. Metropolitan area network, B. Major allocated network, C. Multiple area network, and mainly allocated network. Your time starts now. Time up. So correct answer is A. Metropolitan area network is the long form of MAN. So the next question is here on your screen. What is long form of WAN? Your options are A. Wide area network, B. Wide allocated network, C. Wide area network, and D. Widely allocated network. So your time starts now. Time up. So correct option is C. Wide area network is the long form of WAN. So the question number 4 is here on your screen. Which of the following is not an example of instant messaging? Your options are A. Google Talk, B. Google Hangouts, C. WordPress, and D. Facebook Messenger. So your time starts now. Time up. So correct answer is C. WordPress is not an example of instant message. Google Talk, Google Hangouts और Facebook Messenger जो ये सारे instant messaging के examples हैं. Then the question number 5 is here on your screen. Which is used for sending text messages online? Your options are A. Instant messaging, B. Email, C. Website, and D. Blog. Your time starts now. So the correct option is instant messaging is used for sending text messages online. Correct option is A. Instant message. The question number 6 is here on your screen. We can do chatting on an IM client. True or false? Your time starts now. Yes, it is obviously true that we can do chatting on an instant messaging client. So correct option is A, true. So we will move towards the question number 7. Networks are useful because A. No one copy your files, B. You only need one printer per network. C, the computer use less electricity. And D, each user of the network can access files more easily. So your time starts now. So correct answer is D. Each user of the network can access files more easily. That's why networks are useful. Then question number 8 is here on your screen. Internet may be termed as an example of options are A, LAN, B, MAN, C, WAN, and D, all of these. So your time starts now. Yes, internet may be termed as an example of LAN, MAN, and WAN. So correct option is D. All of the above can be considered as the example of internet. Then the question number 9 is here on your screen. The act of writing a post for a blog is called A, blogger, B, blog, C, blogging, and D, blogosphere. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is C, blogging. Yes, act of writing post for a blog is called as the blogging. So the question number 10 is here on your screen. A person who writes a blog is called A, blog, B, blogger, C, blogging, and D, blogosphere. So your time starts now. a person who writes a blog is called as the blogger. So correct option is B, blogger. Question number 11 is here on your screen. Out of the following, which is not the blogging site? A, my blog, B, blogger, C, WordPress, and D, live journal. So your time starts now. So time up. Correct answer is A, my blog is not a blogging site. So question number 12 is here on your screen. Which of the following are Government of India's startup initiatives? Your options are A, Startup India, B, Make in India, C, both A and B and D, none of the above. So your time starts now. So the correct option is both A and B. Yes, Startup India and Making India. Both are the Government of India's startup initiatives. So the question number 13 is here on your screen. Successful entrepreneurs as role models generate more entrepreneurship. So options are A, true, B, false. Your time starts now. So, yes, it is true that the successful entrepreneurs as role models generate more entrepreneurship. So, correct option is A, true. Now, we will move towards the question number 14. Entrepreneurship degrades the standard of living. True or false? So, your time starts now. Time up. It is obviously not true that entrepreneurship degrades the standards of living. So correct answer is B, false. So let us move towards the question number 15. Which of the following is not developed by entrepreneurships? A. Society, B. Economy, C. Nation, and D. None of the above. So your time starts now. देखिए एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जो है ये सोसाइटी, इकोनॉमी और नेशन तीनों को भी डेवलप करता है. सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट डेवलप्ड बाय एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप? सो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी नन ऑफ द अबव, बिकॉज ये तीनों को डेवलपमेंट में हेल्प करता है. दैट्स व्हाई करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, नन ऑफ द अबव. So the question number 16 is here on your screen. Which of the following is an example of online transaction? A. E-shopping, B. E-ticketing, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. Your time starts now. So both e-shopping and e-ticketing are options of examples of the online transaction. So correct answer is C. Both A and B are the example of online transactions. So we will move towards the question number 17. For entering personal and financial information for online transactions, a URL must begin with A. FTP, B. HTTP, C. HTTPS, and D. Any of these. So your time starts now. So time up. for entering personal and financial information for online transactions, a URL must begin with HTTPS, that is Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol. तो देखिए पर्सनल और फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन जो होती है ऑनलाइन ट्रांजेक्शन के लिए, सो उसकी सिक्योरिटी जरूरी होती है, सो दैट्स वाई सिक्योर HTTP यहाँ पर रिक्वायर्ड रहेगा. The question number 18 is here on your screen. Which of the following OS does not come under Linux OS? That is A BSD, B Red Hat, C Ubuntu, and D CentOS. So your time starts now. So BSD is the OS, that is operating system, which does not come under Linux OS. Linux ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम देखिए रेड हैट उबंटू एंड CentOS जो है लाइनक्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के अंडर आते हैं, whereas BSD does not come under it. So correct option is A, BSD. So the question number 19 is here on your screen. How many sustainable development goals target are there? Options are A 48, B 169, C 15, and D 17. So your time starts now. So there are total 169 sustainable development goals targets are there. So the last question number 20 is here on your screen. How many sustainable development goals are there? A 48, B 169, C 15, and D 17. So your time starts now. So there are total 17 sustainable development goals. So correct option is D 17. That is 1 cent. So that's all for today's session, friends. So the next feature for the Plus and Iconic subscribers. Yes, we are having the exclusive feature for Plus and Iconic subscriber, that is raise a hand. So you can now speak to your favorite educator in live class. Yes, obviously you can ask your doubts also. So now you can clear your doubts instantly with an option to have one-to-one discussion with your favorite educator in a live class. So you can participate in quizzes, vivas, and doubt solving sessions to take your exam preparation to the next level, obviously. And you can have the personalized and highly interactive live class experiences. So you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% off. So Unacademy, let's start. So friends, Unacademy is freedom to learn offer. So this Independence Day, get the freedom to learn. Yes, this is new offer only for CBSE class 9th. So student, this is the exclusive offer for CBSE class 9. That is, we are pleased to inform you that is our new exclusive offer for our CBSE class 9 learners. That is, if you take up a CBSE class 9 subscription for 2 years, then you will get the subscription of IIT, JEE, NEET Foundation and NTSC absolutely free. So what is this IIT, JEE, NEET Foundation and NTSC category all about? I will tell you about that. You can build the foundation for the IIT, JEE right from class 9th. So it is having the structured courses that will help you to crack the multiple Olympiads like NTSC, IMO and so on. Yes, obviously, and you can win the great national level scholarships. So you can save students 40% on your subscription price. So this is only for the first 500 CBSE learners, and the offer can be availed using the educator referral code. So you can use my educator referral code, that is TD Live. So just this is the limited time offer, and it is valid from the 11th of August 2021 to the 31st of August 2021. So students gets your subscription now. This is at limited period offer. देखिए दोस्तों, अनअकैडमी हर बार कुछ नया लाने की कोशिश करती है. सो इस बार जी हाँ, आप लोगों को जैसे कि पता होगा, you are having the last chance to win free Creative Corner subscription. So this offer is going to end on 23rd of the August 2020. म्हणजे हाँ, हमारी क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर सब्सक्रिप्शन की जो चांस है, इट इज गोइंग टू एंड. सो देखिए ऑफर्स कैसे हैं. देखिए सब्सक्रिप्शन ड्यूरेशन, लाइक अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन 12, 15 एंड 18 मंथ्स का है क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का, then you will get that is a free Creative Corner subscription for 2 months. So whether it is Plus or Iconic based on your subscription. Then अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन का ड्यूरेशन है 24, 36 and 48 months का, so you will get the free Creative Corner subscription for 4 months. जी हाँ, 4 महीनों के लिए आपको फ्री क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो मिलेगा. सो ये अगर आपका प्लस का सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो आपको प्लस का मिलेगा. अगर आपका आइकॉनिक का सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो आपका क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का आइकॉनिक का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो मिलेगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज दी, अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन का ड्यूरेशन है फॉर 60, 72 एंड 84 मंथ्स का, इधर फॉर द प्लस और इधर फॉर द आइकॉनिक. सो आपको क्या रहेगा, फ्री क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेगा पूरे 6 महीने के लिए. इट इज टोटली फ्री. प्लस का है तो प्लस का मिलेगा, एंड आइकॉनिक का है तो आपको आइकॉनिक का 6 महीने का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है टोटली फ्री मिलेगा. सो हरी अप, इट इज लिमिटेड पीरियड टाइम ऑफर, एंड यू कैन यूज माय कोड that is given here, that is TD Live, to get the free subscription also for the Creative Corner. So this is your last chance to win free Creative Corner subscription, and the offer is going to end on 23rd of the August 2021. So choice is yours. So with Unacademy subscription, you will get, with one subscription comes the great benefits like you will get the unlimited access to 7 subjects. 7 सब्जेक्ट्स को आपको अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस मिलेगा, एंड यू विल गेट द इंडियाज टॉप एजुकेटर्स टू चूज फ्रॉम. ऑब्वियसली आपको पूरा सिलेबस मिलेगा. यू विल गेट द फुल सिलेबस फॉर NCERT and as well as dedicated plus courses. And yes, obviously without Unacademy subscription, you will be having the lot of confusion. So jaldi kijiye students, choice is after all yours. So subscribe now before it is too late. So the next exams are, I think, just 2 months, right? So you can get the 10% discount on using the educator referral code. So please use my educator referral code, that is TDLove, so to get the 10% discount. So jaldi kijiye, hurry up, the time is getting over. So friends, we are having the mega launch every Mondays, as you know. So here we are having the Laksh Foundation batch for IIT and JEE aspirants. So ये बैच किसी लिए है, देखिए फॉर सीबीएसई क्लास 9 के लिए भी है एंड सीबीएसई क्लास 10 के लिए एंड यस पहले हम लोग देखते हैं सीबीएसई क्लास 9 के लिए. इट इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट on the 31st of the August 2021. 31st August को ये बैच स्टार्ट होगी and we are having the subjects like maths and science with the expert teachers. Yes, obviously you are having the new batches for doubt clearing and NCERT exercises also. And also अगर आप लोग IIT JEE के aspirants हो for CBSE class 10th, so यहाँ पर भी आपकी जो लक्ष्य फाउंडेशन बैच है वो 31st August 2021 को स्टार्ट हो रही है. सो वी आर हैविंग द स्पेशल स्ट्रेचेस फॉर द मैथ्स एज वेल एज द साइंस. तो देखिए मैथ्स की जो डेट है वो 1 सितंबर को स्टार्ट होती है एंड साइंस इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ऑन द 31st of August 2021. सो वैसे ही सीबीएसई क्लास 10 के लिए IIT JEE एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए एक और सीबीएसई क्लास 10 की बैच रहेगी, दैट इज लक्स फाउंडेशन बैच. It is for maths, it is going to start on 17th of September 2021, and for science it is going to start on 31st of August 2021. So yes, obviously you are having the new batches for doubt clearing sessions and NCERT exercises. So students जो obviously class 9th and 10th के IIT and JEE के लिए interested हैं, they are having the golden chance for it. And yes, you can use my code, that is TDLive, for flat 10% off discount. So that is बात किया students, join our new Laksh Foundation batches. So friends, let me tell you about the basic about the plus subscription and also the advanced plan of the basic, that is iconic जो है ये plus का जो है advanced version रहेगा. देखिए plus में जो you are going to have the basic plan to get started. And yes, obviously at Iconic, you can take your CBSE preparation to the next level with personal mentor. देखिए प्लस के फीचर्स क्या क्या है. यू आर हैविंग द इंडियाज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स एज वेल एज द इंटरैक्टिव लाइव क्लासेस, देन लाइव टेस्ट एंड क्विजेस, देन स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेस एंड PDFs also. एंड इन आइकॉनिक में क्या रहेगा, प्लस के जो फीचर्स है वो सारे के सारे रहेंगे और उसके साथ आइकॉनिक में आपको एडिशनल फीचर्स भी मिलेंगे. देखिए यहाँ पर भी इंडियाज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स रहेंगे, देन इंटरैक्टिव लाइव क्लासेस, देन लाइव टेस्ट एंड क्विजेस, देन यू आर हैविंग द स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेस एंड PDFs also. सो यहाँ पर एडिशनल क्या है आइकॉनिक में, देखिए द पर्सनल मेंटर इज देयर टू सॉल्व योर डाउट्स. यू आर हैविंग द लाइव डाउट सॉल्यूशंस, लाइव इंटरेक्शन विथ योर मेंटर्स ऑल्सो, एंड यस ऑब्वियसली पेरेंट कनेक्ट भी यहाँ पर रहेगा, दैट इज टीचर पेरेंट कनेक्शन रहेगा यहाँ पर. एंड आपको आइकॉनिक का स्पेशल स्टडी प्लानर जो है वो भी मिलेगा. सो यू कैन यूज माई कोड, दैट इज TDLive, फॉर फ्लैट 10% of discount for both, that is on the plus and iconic solutions. So you can select the plus or iconic based on your choices. So उसके plans कैसे हैं देखिए. अगर आप लोग CBSE का क्लास 9, 10th, 11, 12 का लोगे तो ज़्यादा बेनिफिट रहेगा. अगर क्लास 10 का लोगे तो 10th, 11, 12 आपको साथ में मिल जाएगा सब्सक्रिप्शन का. तो यहाँ पर देखिए पहले हम लोग प्लस का देख लेते हैं. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग द 3 month सब्सक्रिप्शन, देन यू हैव टू पे 7,500 for the 3 months, that is 2,500 for per month. Now if you are having the 6 month subscription, then you are have to pay 10,000 for the 6 months, that is flat 33% off. Then if you are having the 12 month subscription, then you are going to pay 15,000, that is 1,250 per month. If you are going for the 15 month subscription, then you will have to pay 18,000. If you are going for the 18 months, then you will have to pay 20,000, that is 1,111 per month. Now, if you are going for the 24-month subscription, then you will have to pay 25,000 for the 24 months. That is 1,042 per month. If you are going for 36 months, then you will have to pay 32,000 for whole 36 months and 889 per month. इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर द 48 मंथ सब्सक्रिप्शन, उसमें आपको क्या लगेगा 40,000, 40,000 जो है पूरा का पूरा पैकेज रहेगा एंड 830 विल बी फॉर पर मंथ। देखिए आज जितना आप लोग ज़्यादा पैकेज लोगे उतना ही आपका बेनिफिट और डिस्काउंट जो है वो बढ़ता जाएगा। सो बेसिक क्लास का 9, 10, 11, 12 का आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन देखिए, द सेम केस फॉर 3 months, 6 months, 12, 15, 18, 24, 36 एंड 40 months। देखिए यहाँ पर 3 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो 12,000 को रहेगा विथ 4,000 पर मंथ। देन नेक्स्ट वन इज 6 months, 17,000 रहेगा विथ 2,833 पर मंथ। देन 12 months का रहेगा 28,000। देन 15 months का रहेगा 32,000। 18 months का रहेगा 35,000। 24 months का रहेगा 48,000। 36 months का रहेगा 66,000 एंड 48 months का रहेगा 83,000। दैट इज 1,729 पर मंथ। सो वैसे अभी आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, क्लास 10, 11 और 12 का सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लस के लिए देख लीजिए। 3 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन आपके लिए रहेगा 7,500 रुपीज़ के लिए। 6 month का रहेगा 3,000 के लिए। 12 months का रहेगा 15,000 के लिए। 15 months का जो है आपके लिए रहेगा 18,000 के लिए। देन 18 months का आपके लिए रहेगा 20,000 के लिए एंड 24 months का रहेगा 25,000 के लिए एंड लास्टली 36 month का जो है वो 32,000 के लिए रहेगा। And the same case for the iconic, that is for class 10th, 11th and 12th subscription, that is 3 months का रहेगा आपके लिए 12,000, then 6 months का 17,000, 12 months का 28,000, 15 months का 32,000, that is 2,133 per month। 18 months का रहेगा 35,000 के लिए एंड 24 months का रहेगा 48,000 के लिए। ऑब्वियसली वैसे ही क्या रहेगा 36 months का जो सब्सक्रिप्शन है लास्टली वो रहेगा 66,000 के, that is 1,833 per month with 54% discount. And yes, obviously you can use my code, that is TDLive, for flat 10% off discount. So student, जल्द से जल्द आपका जो सब्सक्रिप्शन that is based on your that is plus or iconic, please सब्सक्राइब करके लीजिए। सो फ्रेंड्स, हर बार की तरह इस बार भी अनअकैडमी मेगा कॉम्बैट ला रही है। जी हाँ, वी आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट स्कॉलरशिप ट्रस्ट वंस अगेन, अनअकैडमी मेगा कॉम्बैट। सो इस बार यू कैन विन द स्कॉलरशिप वर्थ ₹2 crore. So link is given in the description box. Yes, obviously this Unacademy Mega Compact is on every Sunday and you can use my code, that is TDLive, for the educator referral bonus. So देखिए Unacademy Mega Compact बहुत से आप स्टूडेंट्स ने दिए होंगे, कुछ ने नहीं दिए होंगे। So let me tell you about that. So Unacademy Mega Combat Scholarship Tips, that it is formula for your success in CBSE classes 9 and 10. You can win one scholarship worth ₹2 crore। देखिए लास्ट टाइम हम लोग जो लिए थे बैचेस उसके 1 crore के थे। सो नाउ वी आर हैविंग द 2 crore स्कॉलरशिप ऑफर्स। सो आपकी पढ़ाई के साथ साथ यू कैन विन द प्राइजेस आल्सो एंड दिस मेगा कॉम्बैट स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट आर फॉर CBSE classes 9th and class 10th. So date लिख लीजिए, the upcoming mega compact is on August 29th, 2021 at 11 AM. So enroll online, लिंक जो है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे चुके हैं हम लोग पहले से ही। सो उसका फॉर्मेट देखिए कैसा रहेगा। यू विल बी हैविंग 30 क्वेश्चंस एंड 45 मिनट्स फॉर दैट। दिस क्वेश्चन है एंड यू आर हैविंग द 45 मिनट्स टू सॉल्व दिस। The test will be obviously available in Hindi as well as English language. Both languages में आपको टेस्ट अवेलेबल रहेगी, हिंदी में भी और इंग्लिश में भी। And test will be live. It will be the free live test on your Android application. So जल्दी कीजिए and enroll now for Unacademy Mega Compact. Date लिख लीजिए August 29 at 11 AM. So you can have the flat 10% off on Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription. You can use my code, that is TDLive, for both Plus and Iconic subscription with flat 10%. And you can download the Unacademy app now. Get it on the Google Play Store and you can download it on the Apple Play Store also. try its all of the features for free using my code, that is TDL. So students, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next session. An Academy, let's crack it.